Hello, this is Not the End Crochet. This look familiar? Okay. I know what I got, and I know what's coming. Let's see, bottom, top. I vote for a pull string to get these things open with, but I'm gonna cut them every time. Okay. Yep. One silver string line metal crochet hook, 6.5 millimeter K. Okay, this will make the fifth one, I think, of the third release. Put that over there for right now. It's cute. It's something they, well, not necessarily something made, but they sound like something to clean them with every time you order. Wait, open other end. Any boxes just ain't gonna go along hard. Let's see. I'm still floored every time I pull one out. They are beautiful. Finish on them was just, whoo, nice. It was really nice. And after I did the comparison on the last hookup date, I realized, okay, it took me a minute, but this is made like the Odyssey. It's right here. So that sort of pays homage to that, doesn't it? It's alright. Hadn't gotten to use one of these yet. Hopefully I will soon. I'm about ready to start a new project. But I can see where the prints of your finger gets on it. It probably would make a stain or make it tarnish. So that's a good thing right here. So there we have that. And here's the rest of the fellas. And I think I left room for that one. Yep, I did right here. Yep. And it goes in this slot. And I think with that one, I just need 2 more to have the whole set, but those are out right now. So I put myself on the list to get them whenever they restock. Cat hair, it's everywhere. And it's still there. Okay. Okay, fellas, I'm gonna roll you back up. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Maybe on the end. Yeah, okay. We'll see. Okay, something's gonna have to be done about my hooks because they're actually getting too heavy for me to pick up. I don't know, I'm gonna have to work something out because it's starting to hurt my back to take it down off the shelf. So we gotta protect the back or else, won't be able to do anything. Toodles. Hello, this is Not the End, and I got my last shipment of Aries. Finally. Let's open them up. Oh gosh. See, that's what I get for using cloth scissors on paper. They get dull. Really dull. Goodness. Okay, let's see what we got. We got a G plus, a K, and an N. Aries Streamline Zodiac. I think I mentioned before, I think this is all of them but 2. I have like the rest of them. I got them up here on the table. Put this down here for now. A little perfect time. Yep. 3. Don't need this no more. Let's open the other end. Okay. Let's see what this is. Ooh. Oh. Speckle. This is 6.5. This is 4.5, the G plus. Ooh, that's a nice size one. Oh, right down here. And this is a 9. Well, I try to line them up, but I don't know if I can because they like to roll and I don't want anything to roll off. See, roly-poly. Yeah, put it in between. 4. This is 15. Do not tell me how that. Oh, phew. I thought I had a duplicate. Yeah, it's an 8. 12. That's 5.5. This is a 7. This is a 10. And this is 6.5. I don't have a 6, and I don't have a 4. Those are the 2 I'm missing. So hopefully they'll do a restock and they'll notify me when they get them in. Okay, looks good. Now I gotta reorganize my pouches. Every time I get like an influx of furls, I have to redo the pouches. I gotta come up with some other way. I'll figure it out. Toodles. Hello everyone, this is Auntie Ann Crochet. I finally got my last order furls, and the box. Look like it's been on a wreck. That's the first one I ever got that was chewed up, beat up, or squished. Looked like it might have got squished on one side. I hope it didn't harm my hooks, and I hope nobody got hurt on accident, because this is pretty rough. Well, only one way to find out. Excuse my hand. Let me open it. Put it over here. See the bottom. I know what one of them was. Yeah, this is chewed up pretty good. Might just cut through here. Yeah, that's pretty easy right there. Let's see what I got. Oh, even it's chewed up. What happened to this? Okay. It's the new Aquarius and the restock of the Capricorn. Both are 5.5. Okay. These don't be in pieces. Can't tell from that. I thought if I should have twisted the head, I'd be able to hear it go. But I didn't. Okay, who are you? Box feels different. I don't know why. Oh, okay. Ooh, wow. That is gorgeous. This is the Aquarius. That is one beautiful hook. Girl. Gosh, this is pretty. I see that. Got it. Now I'm about to order some more of them. That is really gorgeous. Wow. Thank goodness it's not broke or anything that I can see with my glasses. They're dirty, so I don't know what good that'll do. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. Let's set that right there. Open the Capricorn. There. Yeah, that's kind of green. Ooh. Okay, I think these two get me up to date on the zodiacs. I think I have to check my database. These are beautiful hooks. See, that's what I like. I like beauty, style, and I did realize that I don't want every special hook that Furls come out with. I don't want all of them. Plus, they don't went up on the prices. I just want to finish what I have. So, I'm on my way there. Cool. Alright, well, I'll put this video together with the other two and we'll see what I come up with. Y'all keep sweet. Toodles.